We build solutions for consumers and enterprises in the broad areas of carrier billing, payments, IoT, and chatbots. In IoT specifically, we build solutions for enterprise customers to track their vehicles, their fleet, and also their assets. This is in addition to working with them on use cases around agriculture, connectivity, and also manufacturing.
I work on agriculture mainly, and as an IoT device engineer, I've been able to actually go down to the field and actually come up with sensors and devices and everything that we actually put on site. So one of the funny things that actually I worked on this was my first project, which was called Durian Sense, and that was actually done to actually detect in a real-time effort on whether a durian has dropped in the plantation. So this was actually to help us to see whether we could actually use computer vision to actually identify durians in a farm. It kind of progressed from that into where a lot of agriculture solutions required automation. So from fertigation to actually analyzing whether this specific fertilizer was actually good for the plants. So mainly that's what we do for smart agriculture here at Maxis.
I'm currently involved in multiple super interesting projects in IoT, and one of them is WorkSafe. WorkSafe is a personnel safety tracking application. It tracks the location of on-field personnel, such as our tower engineers when they're climbing our very, very tall network towers. So we make sure that they are at the right place and at the right time. In the event where they fall down, the application will immediately alert the emergency response team to make sure that the engineer is safe.
Working in our team is fun yet challenging because we are working with cutting-edge technologies such as 5G, NB-IoT, edge computing, and also Bluetooth low energy. We are also involved in large-scale projects, leveraging data and analytics, collaborating with diverse teams, and also having ample career growth opportunities.
We try to bring new things, and whatever that's new in the tech sphere, we actually try to bring it and we try to learn about it and implement it into the solutions that Maxis offers. So we actually have our own Maxis Innovation Lab that our team runs, and we try to bring people together from different areas in Maxis itself to actually come together and bring out ideas to garner more efforts into actually bringing new solutions out there into the market for our users.
Working at Maxis has been great, and I find the culture here to be absolutely phenomenal. My favorite Maxis value here is I don't know how, but I commit. That has allowed us to challenge ourselves and break new frontiers. We definitely encourage failures, as failures fuel our breakthroughs. In our team, we definitely love to explore new technologies and bleeding edge frameworks, which has allowed us to build better products for our customers.